Welcome back, everybody, to our update for Open. Again, the price reverse. Once again, getting near the breakout. In today's video, we have to discuss where the real breakout will happen for this month and where we should expect for another buyer, another whale, not small trader for Open. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here is just for education purposes. And of course, we're not for financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So first of all, let us go to the chart because it really look interesting around the $10.50, which is the current resistance. We have double top right now, and before the market open, we've got a really good news regarding open door technology. It tend to expand product offering to allow code to provide services to entire continent United States in coming weeks, and this is a huge news. Just came in the pre-market, and you see what's happened here. We reverse almost 25% quickly. Even before the market open, we have a lot of traders going in, feeling the FOMO. That's why we reversed from the $8.40 and we went until the $10.50. 25% reversal. Yeah, 15%, but from the dip, it was 25% reversal. And as you see here, usually the reversal, we don't have major reversal. We always have 10 to 15%. For this reversal, is 25 because of the news. So right now, what we should expect, we have the $10.50, which is the current resistance double top that we should break at the moment. We have few support that I was watching for today around the 978. I was watching closely because we have a bit of accumulation here, and we didn't even break and test the $9.78, which is a good indication for a strength and good buyer. And of course, the other support that I'm watching is around the 928, and the bottom is $80.40. So if we have a good buyer and at least a potential for a breakout for the next few days, we need to hold between the 928 and 978 and break, of course, the $10.50 in order to go toward, of course, he guessed it, around the 1188, which is a new high, and after that the 1330, for my opinion, the most important level to test in this month for open. Let me know in the comment section below, guys. Are we gonna have a pullback before a jump, or a jump before a pullback down for open before even Friday, because we have 2 days for the end of this week? And of course, today we have really important fundamental things will affect the market, which is FOMC for the Fed regarding the rate of a lot of things that we gonna discuss for today. That's why the market is a bit down and a bit hesitant, as you can see here, down for Unity, Tesla, AMD, everything is down. It's the stocks that went up today, like Plug and Neo, have major news that help them to hold, even though we have anticipation for the Fed meeting right now before the market closed by 2 hours. So open, we might have the breakout before the market closed by 2 hours or after hours if we have a good sentiment in the market. So let me know, guys, in the comment section below, are we gonna have a breakout today in after hours or before the end of this week? Thank you for watching, and of course, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and join us for tomorrow for our live streaming that we're gonna do every time we do it, 30 minutes before the market open, and of course before that on our Discord and Patreon. The link in the comment section below, guys, if you want to have access to our Discord and Patreon community. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.